Hello students, today we are going to start our new lesson number 6, formatting a document. Formatting. What is the meaning of formatting? Formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive. We can create and design the applying document by See, formatting is going to change the look of your document. Whatever you type on your word that you can change with the help of formatting, with the help of different formatting tools. So that we are going to learn in this lesson. So which type of formatting we are applying on our text? So like adjusting first. See, uh, changing the font and its size, like adjusting the line spacing, setting tabs, creating a bullet number list, highlighting certain words, setting margin, align text on page, changing text and color. This way we can apply the format on your word document. Formatting effects can be applied using the Home tab, which contain font format for formatting command. See, there are different groups on the formatting home tab. So first one is a font. So you can see the group of font where you can change the size, font style, then you can apply bold, italic, underline. Different option you can use from font. Thereafter paragraph option. Second one, you can see the alignment, you can set a paragraph, then spacing, line spacing you can set, text align you can set, space between two lines that you can see with the help of paragraph group. Thereafter third one is text style command. So text you can apply different style on text, that you can do this drawing group of area where you can apply the different type of text. You can give a different style on a text. These all three groups are on home tab. On which tab? Home tab. So you can see these options on home tab. Changing the font type. When you open MS Word and start typing the text, the default font that appear is Calibri. So it is the default font. When you open the settings now, just Calibri is the default font. Default means you don't need to change, means it is already applied over there. The character of the specific size and design used for typing text are called font. So whatever size you are going to change and design you applied on the text, we call it fonts. MS Word provide various type of fonts option. So in MS Word you can see there are different types of font options that you can see. Applying bold, italic and underline. See, now we are going to learn how to apply bold option, italic and underline option. The option of bold face, italic and underline are used to emphasize the text and catch the reader attention. See, when reader is going to read any text, your text, that time if you want to highlight some words or you want to attract the reader, for that reason you can apply these three things. You can make it bold, you can make it little bit slanting and you can underline it. Like this way you can use these three options. When you use boldface, the selected text word make it darker than the rest of the text. See, when you select the bold option, that time whatever text you selected, that is become little bit darker and bold. Okay. Thereafter, italic, emphasize the text by slanting it to the right side, and when you select the italic option, it is going to make your text little bit slanting. So like this way these two options are. Underline allow us to emphasize the text by placing the line under it. We can underline a words or sentence along with the space. MS Word provide a variety of formatting options which can be selected from the font dialog box on the home tabs. So when you are using underline option, once you click on underline, whatever text you are typing, along with the space, you are having a line under that text. So it is also emphasize or make it attract to the reader. So like this way, underline option also you can use. So all these three options you can see on the home tab.